Are you looking for the perfect plates to use at your next gathering? I'm Gina with WTI, and I could not be more impressed with these ones that we got from Charity Leaf for a large event I recently hosted. These plates are made from palm leaves, so you might be thinking that they're going to be flimsy, fall apart, or just get super soggy if they have liquids on them. And you would be wrong about all those things. These are so sturdy, but beyond that, they're unique looking too. I got so many compliments on them at the gathering. Everyone wanted to know what they were made of, if they were disposable, and they all just loved them. We got the 9-inch round plates, although you can get other sizes and styles from Charity Leaf. This was a great size because it allowed people to get exactly the amount they should be eating and leave enough food for everyone else. There's nothing on these plates that would cause any kind of adverse interaction with food. No chemicals, no dyes, no glues. It just makes me feel so much better to know that I'm using something that isn't plastic and it's made from something that would have just gone to waste if it wasn't used. You are going to feel so good about getting these plates for your next gathering, and all your guests are going to love them too. And that's my point of view.